Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Botify AI error code not found. As per our research, this error occurs when users try to open their chats or access bots, but instead of loading properly, they receive this error. According to our research, this error likely happens if the bot has been deleted, made private, or flagged as NSFW. In some cases, it could also be due to server issues. If you're getting this error, it is possible that the bot has been deleted, or the bot owner made it private, or the bot was flagged as NSFW and was automatically set to private. In any of these cases, you may get this error. Some users have reported that this issue has affected many of their favorite bots, redirecting them to a 404 page not found error. If you are experiencing the same issue with multiple bots, then the problem might be due to a larger platform-wide change or server issues. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.